Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Hyundai Sonata windshield wipers, only way. Start by parking safely and turning off the ignition, then lift the wiper arms away from the windshield. Confirm the blade connector type by visually inspecting the joint where blade meets arm. Have your replacement blades ready and keep a clean cloth to protect the windshield. Work on one side at a time for an orderly swap and test blades after installation for proper contact. In this video, I will show how to replace Hyundai Sonata windshield wipers, only ways. Start by placing the blade perpendicular to the arm and locate the small retaining tab. Press the tab and slide the blade downwards to unhook it from the arm, keeping a firm grip on the blade. Move slowly to avoid sudden arm motion that could strike the windshield. Set the old blade aside and inspect the arm for corrosion or damage before fitting the new blade. In this video, I will show how to replace Hyundai Sonata windshield wipers, only way. Begin by aligning the replacement blade's connector with the arm hook, then slide the blade upward until you hear a distinct click from the retaining tab. Gently lower the arm back to the glass to avoid impact. Repeat the same careful steps on the other side, then test both blades using the washer fluid to confirm streak-free, full coverage across the windshield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.